everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Rank the Trend. Today, it's 10th of September 2025, and it's 9:48 a.m. I am trading the chart that I trade every day, which is Australia 200 Index. To be successful in trading, you should master one chart or master one strategy. For my analysis, I always pick up one chart, which is Australia 200 Index, and this is a chart I've practiced for quite some time. And I place my trades in the morning on this one. It's a very good chart to place my trades or execute my trades in the Asian session. This is the time that I have, and this is the time I am available to place my trades. So, considering the market analysis, what I could see, if I look at 5 minutes, I have seen that the market from the previous last Monday is in a downtrend. It went up for quite some time, went in consolidation phase here in this place, and we have to see where it goes. So when it starts, we have to see where does it tap? Does it tap the high? Does it tap the low? And we will look at the strength from the volume, where does it basically lean towards? These are the MRC lines. These are basically the points of reference from where the market reverses. This yellow line that you see is a mean line, is basically is the mean value or the price. Oh, okay, I forgot to connect to my broker Wanda. It's now connected. So we'll straight away place my trades, whether it could be a sell or a buy. Today I'm going to place 50 units. When I say that, it means that I have $3,000 in my account and I'm using the margin of 2201. Um, the value of my one pick would be 50 Australian dollars at this stage, whether I sell or I buy. Now it's 9:50, and I have to see, has the market started? Yep, you see the market. Where is it? Yeah, the market started from a gap down. But let's see what market does. Started from a gap down, um, and then it's green. Over here, it's purple, which means that it's a mix of buy and sell. So let's see for over the next few minutes what the market does. So 9:51 a.m. The market is still bearish at the moment. This is the area where it tapped, as you could see. Now let's see where it goes to actually give us a confirmation in the market. Just a disclaimer, we should always place our trades when we have a right confirmation. The market could do anything. It could go up and down wherever it wants to go. However, we should only place trades when we have the confirmation of our strategy. So right now, I'm analyzing where would my trade actually go, whether it will be a buy or a I'm giving 4 to 5 minutes for this market to actually settle overnight. So you could see the trade of this chart. It closes at around 7 a.m. in the morning, and then it opens at 9:50 a.m. So there's a gap of 2.5 hours in which the other markets uh, progressed, and there was a transactions that happened there. So I'll give few minutes for this Australia 200 chart to settle those overnight or that gap transactions, which would actually give me the right direction in which this is going to go. Okay. So right now it was going up a bit. Mhm. So the white candles that you see, it's basically the net movement of this candle is upwards. And when it's black, it means that the net movement is downwards. So on a higher level, what I could see on a 5-minute time frame is that there is a net sell movement. However, right now, if we divide a 5-minute candle into 1-minute candles of like 5 candles of 1 minute each, which would make it 5 minutes, we could actually see the net movement that it went up, but then in the end it went down. So that is the movement right now. So you see this range, it was the low of the last high. It came around this area to touch it. It went up, down. This black line that you see is the EMA line. The market is still progressing, and let's see the net direction that it comes up with. (9:56 a.m.) 9:57 a.m. The market went down on a higher time frame. If I would see in 5 minutes, it went down till this level of the previous low, tapped this area, and is now there. It is a high churn, so let's see its movement. I would probably um, go for a buy. Um, I am right now biased towards that movement. I will place it here. It's 9:58. Mhm. I would just go for around 92 2. That is around, confirm around 10 pips. I would increase a bit to this area where there is sort of I also have to manage the amount of loss that I would. Okay, and I'm monitoring that the volume is coming in, and I would just look up where my so this is one area where my 500 of profit, probably 10 pips around. I won't go for a lot more. I am here, but then I am observing 400, 450, went up, came down. Just a few more minutes, maybe probably a minute or two. I will observe. I will close my trade. Probably not. Close my trade at 200. So it was um, primarily a selling market. It started low, it went over to the high, it tried to close off the gap, but it could not completely close off the gap. I'm sensing the market is it's highly sell, it's not buy. It's 10:05 a.m. So that's $215 in profit. Thank you so much. I'll see